Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my... Can't say because it doesn't have a number. This video does not have a number because I'm not doing 3,000 yet. I've got my programmer Tony in town and some friends. We'll see in the next day or so. 3,000 will come out, I promise. But when the market changes direction or complexion, I feel it's my duty to come out and tell you. So we'll give this video no number, but let's do this. This video is coming at you on Sunday night for trading Sunday through Monday, November 24th, 2025. Please remember how risky trading can be. Trading is risky is trading. They're both very risky together. Please make sure you put your stops in first. Never trade without them. Here's what I wanted to do. Quick video just to make sure that all my Omniacs around the world are informed. You're looking at the YM, the mini Dow, or the Dow, the stock market. It got back above OTAPMA, the Omni Trading Academy's proprietary moving average. The Omni, this is the purpose of the video, the Omni has gone green in many segments across the board for trading this week, or at least for trading Sunday through Monday, across the board. Not just in the indices like NASDAQ, even the S&P, Russell 2000, and the YM. Also, it's starting to look bullish in crypto. Now, check this out, traders. You got to like, share, and subscribe to these videos because who gets to do this? If you recall, way back, I gave out a target when Bitcoin was only a $9,000 market. I gave out a target for $21,000. Bitcoin went right to my target of 21,000. Smack. I stopped, I reassessed, I gave out a target of 35,000. Ask anyone who follows my videos. Each year I put that target on my whiteboard. In every video, every night, it sits on that whiteboard. I gave out a target for 21,000. We smacked 21,000. I give out a target then for 35,000. We smacked 35,000. I reassess, I give out a target for 85,000. Bitcoin hits my 85,000 target. I reassess again. I give out a target for 126,000. You know what the high, all-time high, right up here in Bitcoin was? Right up in the 126,000 area. Who can do that, traders? Who do you know that's ever been that capable of making calls like this? Not only have I showed my Omniacs for years in the stock market, in commodity markets, in the metals markets, but I've shown people for years in Bitcoin as well. The Omni is spectacular. The Omni just recently made a call for 80,200. Look what the market did. It dropped all the way down. Let me grab one of these little circles here. It dropped all the way down to 80,450. I mean, come on. Now, I had orders out there to buy at 80,270. I couldn't grab them. I had to buy 84,000 just to get in. But now the Omni is getting slightly bullish again, and so is my opinion, looking at the charts, of course, in crypto. And speaking of crypto, we just about nailed this target perfectly. Here's something amazing about crypto. Please make sure you like and share these videos. Leave your comments below. As all of you know, I answer every comment myself. So please make sure you leave your comments. Like these videos. Share them around. If you haven't been a subscriber yet, please do. But check this out. This is even cooler. We are in a unique situation right now. Do you know what that unique situation is? My Omni Trading token, by the way, thank all of you Omniacs around the world. You're so fantastic. You help keep this Omni token afloat. But here's the really interesting thing that happened. My Omni token is priced in Solana. Every Omni token I've ever purchased, I had to go out and buy Solana at full price to buy my Omni token. From the first one ever created, I did not get to create. I'm not one of those people that just created a token out of thin air. Every token I've ever purchased is in the price of Solana because I went and bought Solana first to create my token. So, check this out. My token has done what it's done. Now, you just seen the Bitcoin chart, which is reminiscent, by the way, of Solana, of Bitcoin, of Ethereum, of a lot of currencies, right? Look at how far they dropped. Now, here's our unique situation. If you're not paying attention, you should. My Omni token is priced in Solana. They were both here a week ago. Solana has crapped out completely while my Omni token has not only maintained, it's gone up a little. Do you know what that means? If you go out right now and buy Solana so that you can buy my Omni token, as soon as Solana starts to go back up and Omni says this week it's going up, my token has to go up inherently even if no one else buys it. There's a cushion between the price of my token, the Omni trading token, and Solana. Well, Solana dropped, but my Omni trading token didn't, leaving this cushion. As soon as Solana starts to go back up, it forces the Omni token up. You Omniacs are fantastic. You kept it up with my help. Of course, I'm there to back you guys up at every moment. I've also put more in my pool, a little at a time, but I'm there to back you. You're there to back one another. We got an Omniac community around this world, and with your help, my token stayed here while Solana dropped. If you buy Solana now and buy my token, as soon as Solana goes back up, my token has to go up. Perfect moment. Go out and grab some. This is no sales pitch. I do not make anything if you buy Omni token, right? I've got my tokens. You've got yours. We only make money together. This is a unique moment. Go out and grab some. I promise you, you are not going to be wrong. This is no sales pitch by any means. I'm letting you know that my Omni says things are getting bullish again, and we've got this spread cushion between Omni token and Solana, which we can take advantage of. If you do that, God bless you. If not, God bless you anyway for owning my Omni token. Thank you for everything you do, traders. And remember, stop in. Emotions are out. All right, traders. So before I leave, I went to a Raider game today. I had my Raider game, my gear on. Boy, are they terrible. I'm a Jets fan. I've been a Jet fan my whole life, right? Since I'm a little kid. Look, I even got my little Jets football in my pocket. It'll come out, I promise. Where's my Jets football? Here we go. Oh, no. Oh, there we go. I've had this in my pocket forever. Got my little Jets football in my pocket. So I've been a Jet fan since I'm a kid. I have never seen them win anything. The Raiders come to town. I think maybe I get lucky. I buy season tickets. Oh, my God. It's like watching the Jets. I don't know. I think if the Jets played the Raiders, the score would be 0-0. In fact, one of my friends I was with today made that same joke. I've been saying it for years. I'm so not blessed when it comes to football. I am blessed when it comes to markets and charts and all of you Omniacs around the world. Love you guys. Thank you for everything you do. I will see you either at livewithoscar.com or at Pump